Good evening, traders. August 14, 2022. Hope you had a great weekend and a nice Sunday night. Let me tell you, this is the second time that I'm gonna have to record this video because the first version that I posted on Twitter was only with the background noise. Something happened here with my settings and my mic was disconnected. But anyway, we can do it again, not a problem. So I just want to go, let's go first for where we are in levels for currently and what we're expecting for this week coming. So let's get into it. So we have here our volume profile. This is just like a big picture scheme. We've been on an uptrend practically all last week, right? With a big rally on Friday, strong gamma squeeze. So a lot of emotional buying. It seems that is what is been happening. I don't think that it will last, but we will have to see how it reacts. So right now there's a lot of single prints on the structure for Friday. So we're gonna have some retracements, I assume, and small pullbacks, and coming back again up for all the shorts that are trapped there. So I'll give you those levels in very details. But at the end of the day, I mean, what I just want to mention here that we already are above value area, so we're not balanced anymore at this time. We are balanced in terms of Friday for the overnight session, but we have to be very observative of the previous high on Friday, right, which is around 42.80s. So let's go to the market profile in a little bit more detail here. These are all these green yellow lines here are the ones that the single prints that I'm telling you that these are for those who are trading Globex tonight. These are good opportunities to get long when we hit them. For example, here, because we have some short drops here, so they're gonna be triggering their buying orders to get out. So we have an area here of single prints between 42.66 to 42.63, another small one at 42.60 to 61, and then we have the next one here all the way down here to 42.55. So let's see if those single prints get corrected during the overnight session, and we have to be very careful to see the previous day high on Friday, because if we break it, it's very likely that we're gonna see continuation to the upside. But we are very extended already. We have had several days going up. That doesn't mean that we can continue going higher, but I think that we might see, if not a reversal, obviously some consolidation in the following days in this area. At least I think that tomorrow we might have room to, if we have a liquidation session in the morning or during the day. We have the hat back here, the 50%, which is 42.51 of the Friday range. So that could be a good target to take in consideration, 42.50s, in case that we continue making a normal retracement, right, since we are extended. Okay, I have some ideas as well for tomorrow. We have here UPST. We have an inside candle, and I was explaining, which you couldn't hear me, but even though it's an inside candle, what I see interesting here is a break of the previous high here and a retest on the 50 MA to get a little short there. So I mean, we do have the opportunity. If we break 35.25, we have a target to 35.86. But I think that the smartest play here will be wait for that 50 MA retest and see if it rejects it, and take a short towards at least the man area here around 33.40 and 32.60. So what I think that might work is because if you see here we have some divergence, bearish divergence, volume versus price, and we have the 50 EMA on the daily, no? So that usually rejects the first touch. So that's a good opportunity that you can look for both sides, take a small long and then see if it rejects and take it short. The next one, it's RNG ring. We have also an inside candle here, but if we break to the upside, we get out of this the demand supply zone, and I see that we can get it the 53.88 break. We have room to 54.72, and then if it breaks that one, we have all this area of retracement toward the 50 MA. So 57.60 is the 50 MA. So we have a good there's good volume increasing bars here on the daily. So I think that this could be a nice bullish setup for the next days, and tomorrow for the break of the inside candle. Next one, Delta, and all the airlines have the similar patterns, but I think Delta is the one that I like the most with this bullish hammer that we have here on the daily, and an inside candle as well. Break on 34.61 give us the opportunity to go to previous high 34.80 and then 35 area. We also have here the next important resistance area is 35.86. So we already have EMA crosses, cross 4, 8, and almost the 13 EMAs crossing the 50 EMA, which is very bullish. So, and we have a nice U-shaped pattern here. So very likely that all the airlines have some bullish behavior in the next week. So Delta, taking in consideration. The other one is Zoom. We have also an inside candle, and also that Zoom always moves very nicely. We have here like a hammer here with a big rejection that we had from the 107.40s area. So the break on this will be 110.15, and we have the previous high. It's all the way to 114.95. So look for first target 112.43, take some profits, and look for the continuation towards that 114.95. So Zoom to the upside, I think it's nice. If it breaks down, also interesting, but because we have a good range towards this previous low 105.03, so the break will be 107.23 towards 105.03 is $2 range. So very likely right now we have a flat EMA, so this is like a 50-50 shot, right? It can break up or down, or even made an outside candle. We don't know, but either way, both sides on the break of the inside candle, I think that it can give us some opportunity. It has had a very nice average to range of $6 per day in the last 10 days, so it's been volatile. So let's look for that and have it on your watch list. The next one is Net. Net also has a nice delta, and we have also a nice bullish candle here, pattern with an previous inside. Day range 77.67 will be the break, all the way to 80.73. From there we have the next supply area all the way up to 88.64, so that could be interesting. We have good range here. To the downside as well, if it breaks 74.10, we have here the ATM8 as next target, 70.78. but it looks more it looks quite some bullish, at least from the behavior that it had, because had the gap from earnings, made a nice retracement to the 40 EMA, then gap up again, consolidate, and then now it's trying to do the next move up. So looks good to me. Looks good to me. The other thing is that this rejection that we have here, this red candle, was with very low volume, so that is bullish as well. So let's see how it behaves, but have it both sides, we can play it anyway. So that is net. And another one, Costco also, I'm looking here. I mean, it already broke this uptrend on the daily. I think that we can have an opportunity to the downside here, even though it's an inside candle, and we have to take it either way, right? But it looks bearish to me right now for the following days. So look for a break on 533.70, room to 531.98, and then from there all the way to 526 and 519. I don't think that 519 will get there tomorrow, but at least 526, because of the $10 true range that we have from the past 10 days, is within the range. So the break 533 to final target for tomorrow 526.25. And that's what I have for tomorrow. There's another ones, but these ones are the ones that I found more interesting. So hopefully you can take advantage of these ideas. Do your own due diligence, of course. Have very determined risk. Where are going to be your stops, your targets, so be careful when you trade them. And if you like, please this video, please give me a like, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We also having our new Discord server where we are streaming live the whole session. So I'm gonna leave here also all the information for the membership link, as well as the Discord access, so you can go also to the free channels if you would like to join us there. So hopefully we can see you there, and see you tomorrow for more trade ideas. Thank you very much. Adios.